Hey everyone, today, we're going to show you how to get Google Photo Editor on your computer. Let's dive right in. What is Google Photo Editor? First, let's quickly talk about what Google Photo Editor is. It's a powerful online tool that allows you to edit your photos with a variety of features, including filters, cropping, and adjustments. The best part, you can access it from any computer with an internet connection. Now, let's get into the steps to access Google Photo Editor on your computer. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to photos.google.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one. Step 3. Once logged in, you'll see your photo library. Click on the photo you want to edit. Step 4. In the top right corner, click on the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This will open the Google Photo Editor. Now that you're in the editor, let's go over some of the features you can use. Basic adjustments. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Filters. Apply various filters to give your photos a unique look. Just click on the filters option and choose the one you like. Crop and rotate. If you need to crop or rotate your image, simply select the crop tool and adjust as needed. Text and drawings. You can also add text or draw on your photos for a personal touch. Just explore the options available in the editor. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Step 5. Click on the Done button in the top right corner. This will save your edited photo back to your Google Photos library. Step 6. If you want to download the edited photo to your computer, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Download. Your edited photo will be saved to your computer. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips to enhance your editing experience. Explore the features. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tools and settings to find what works best for your style. Use high-quality images. Start with high-resolution images for the best editing results. Back up your photos. Always back up your original photos before making edits, just in case you want to revert to the original later. And that's it. You now know how to get Google Photo Editor on your computer and make stunning edits to your photos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and happy editing. See you in the next video.